Hi friends, today I'm going to talk with you about Python. Python is a very powerful language in terms of application. Why is it so? Why do you find so many applications of Python? You find applications of Python in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data visualization. You also find it in image processing. The Python is also very commonly used today in several companies for their data crunching, etc. So it is introduced today at a very early stage at your graduation level. Why is it so important to be introduced to Python today? Introduction to Python is very important because today we are still not aware which field we want to enter. Python will give you a way that so that you can enter any of the fields. Now, hearing the word Python, sometimes people are scared. But there's nothing to get scared about Python because Python is a very, very easy language. Coding in Python is very simple. The coding in other languages sometimes takes 2 to 3 lines, whereas the same code can be crunched in one line in Python. Python is secondly not a structured language. So you can write the code as you want and the code proceeds as per your wish. This is the power of Python. At Opine Group, we do touch all the aspects of Python. Every small point of Python is covered. Also, we ensure that your grades in college are very good when it comes to Python. Welcome to Python and let's enjoy learning Python at Opine.